In this video, I'll show you how to change the input source on your LG TV. Step 1. Open Input menu. Use your LG TV remote and press the Input or Source button. The input menu will display all available sources on the screen. Highlight the current source if it's not already selected. Step 2. Select desired input source. Use the arrow keys on the remote to navigate through the input options. Highlight the desired input source, like HDMI, HDMI 2, AV USB, then press the OK or Enter button to confirm your selection. Step 3. Verify the input. Wait for the TV to display content from the selected input. Ensure the connected device is powered on and functioning. Adjust settings as needed for the new input source. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below.